Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Tonight is the big night. We're going to find out who is going to be the winner of the 2K giveaway box. We have 45 entries and we have Autumn L. Let's go through these names. Autumn L, Becky H, Becky P, Beth W, Bobby V, Bunny G, Carla D, Carol S, Carrie S, Cheryl U, Christy W, Cindy L, Cindy M, Diana F, Diana N, Donna V, Eloise H, Gloria O, Juanita C, Kelly H, Kelly N, Kelly S, Carrie S, Leah B, Libby M, Liz H, Lori C, Lydia C, Mary G, Nina C, Nina G, Nina H, Pamela G, Ruth L, Sandra S, Sharon M, Sharon S, Sheila E, Sherry S, Stacy W, Sue D, Susie N, Tammy F, Teresa S, and Virginia P. Those are the 45 people, and I hope I haven't duplicated anybody. I don't think I have. I have a very, list. Most of you have emailed me your name and address as you were supposed to. Even if you didn't, I've still added you to this list. But if you are one of the ones that has not sent me your name and address, you're going to need to email that to me if you are picked so that I can recognize you and send the package out to you. All right, guys, good luck to everyone. Let's spin the wheel. Donna V, you are the winner for the 2K giveaway box. Congratulations, Donna. Email me, let me know that you're still interested in the box, and I'll send it out to you. Donna V, it shows in my comments that your name is at Donna Vineyard. You have 24 hours to email me and let me know that you are still interested in the box. Otherwise, you will be removed and we will spin again tomorrow. I need to hear from you by 6 p.m. Monday night, November 3rd. Thanks everyone for participating, for watching this video, for subscribing, liking, sharing. All of your support means the world to me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.